Today, I'm just shooting red. Yeah, that's all. I'm just shooting red. So today, I decided to make things difficult for myself. I told myself, okay, you can only shoot one color. And I chose red. Not because it's rare, but actually it's everywhere. But the moment you limit yourself to just one color, suddenly it feels like it disappeared. At first, I was really frustrated. I'd see a beautiful scene, great light, nice subject, nice moment, and then I'll think, but there's no red. So I had to let it go. And that's the first thing I realized. When you shoot with just one color, you stop reacting to everything. And you start searching with more intention. Instead of asking, is this interesting? You start asking, where's the red hiding? Sometimes it's obvious, a taxi, a shirt, or maybe a signboard. But sometimes it's tiny, a reflection in a puddle, a small logo on someone's bag, a little detail you ignore on a normal day. And that's actually the fun part. It actually turns the whole city into a treasure hunt. I think the biggest advantage of shooting one color is clarity. It simplifies everything. Composition becomes cleaner and your series just feel cohesive. There's a visual rhythm that connects all the photos together, and honestly it's just reflection. You don't overthink so much. You just look for that one thread tying everything together, and that's the red color. Okay, I see really nice patterns over here. Let's try and take this just for fun's sake. There's some more over here. Just red. It's all the red stuff here. It's for a very nice pattern. Cool. It's a nice hardware store here. Let's check out these red banners. Oh. Yeah, I saw this. But red is not just all romantic. You miss shots and you walk away with moments that would normally be just a really good photo. And sometimes you feel stuck. Sometimes you think, why did I ever choose red? And then there were moments today where I felt like the city just refused to cooperate. And this simple exercise forces me to see differently. Not better, but differently. The city didn't change, my attention did. And I think that's what street photography is really all about. Not just documenting what's there, but training your eyes to notice something specific in the middle of chaos. And today, it was red. So next time, maybe it's another color, or maybe it's just something even stranger. I see some lanterns over there. Let's see if we can get some nice shot from this lantern. Oh, we can take pictures here.